In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video testimonials to Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase real customer videos right on your store using your existing theme without needing any custom code. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open up your themes page. At the top of the list, you'll see your current live theme. Next to that theme, click on the option that lets you edit or customize the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually change how your store looks. Once you're inside the theme editor, focus on the left panel. Under the template you're editing, look for the button that says Add Section. Click that, and a panel of different section types will appear. From these options, choose Slideshow. Shopify will add a slideshow section to your page. You can drag and drop this slideshow section up or down in the left panel to place it where you want your video testimonials to appear, such as near the top of your home page or in a dedicated testimonials area. Now, let's set up the slides for your testimonials. On the left panel, find the slideshow section you just added. Click the small right-pointing arrow next to it to expand it. You'll see it already includes 2 slides by default. If you want to feature more testimonials, click Add Block within the slideshow and choose Slide. Repeat this until you have the number of slides you need, 1 for each testimonial video. Next, you'll add the actual videos. Click on one of the slide blocks to open it. Inside that slide, click Add Block and choose Video. Then click the new video block to open its settings. Click the Select button next to Video. A pop-up will open, allowing you to choose a video from your library or upload a new one. Select your video, then click Done at the bottom right. Now you can adjust the video settings. Scroll through the options to set things like autoplay, looping, size, borders, and padding. These controls help you match the style of your store and make sure the video looks clean and professional. Click the back icon at the top left of the panel to go up 1 level. Under the same slide where you added the video, you'll see a group block. Click the arrow next to it to reveal its contents. You'll likely see a button block there. Since we don't need a button for a testimonial, hover over that button block and click the trash icon to remove it. Still within that group, you'll see text blocks. Click the first text block. This is a great place to add the name of the customer in the video, or perhaps their role or company if that's appropriate. Then click back and select the second text block. Here, add a short caption or highlight from their testimonial, such as a key benefit they mention or a short quote. Once the first slide looks good, you can repeat the same steps for the remaining slides. For each slide, add a video block, choose your testimonial video, then update the text blocks with the customer's name and a short caption. This keeps your layout consistent and makes the section feel cohesive. When you finish setting up all of your testimonial slides, look over at the live preview on the right side of the editor. Click through the slideshow to make sure each video appears correctly, plays as expected, and that your text looks clear and readable. If something is off, just click back into the corresponding slide or block and tweak the settings. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This publishes your changes to your live store. Your video testimonial section is now active, giving visitors a powerful visual way to see real customer experiences directly on your Shopify site.